how to use My Health Pays rewards card for gas. Here's how you do it. First, you gotta check eligibility. Confirm that your My Health Pays rewards card can be used for gas purchases. Typically, gas purchases are allowed, but some restrictions may apply depending on your provider and the card terms. You can check the list of eligible expenses on your health plan's website, app, or by contacting customer service. You want to go to a participating gas station. Make sure to visit a gas station that accepts Visa prepaid cards, as My Health Pays rewards cards usually function like prepaid Visa or MasterCard cards. You want to verify with the gas station that they accept prepaid cards before making your purchase. Use your card at the pump. Insert the My Health Pays rewards card into the payment terminal at the gas pump. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Be aware that some gas stations place a pre-authorization hold, which might temporarily exceed the amount of your purchase. If you have limited funds on the card, this might prevent you from paying at the pump. In this case, you can pay inside the gas station instead. Pay inside the station. If the pump doesn't accept prepaid cards, or if there are any issues, you can go inside the gas station and hand the card to the cashier. Tell the cashier how much you want to pay for gas, and they will charge your card for that amount. Check your balance. Make sure there is enough balance on your My Health Pays rewards card to cover the gas purchase. You can check your balance via the health plan's website, mobile app, or by calling the number on the back of your card. And here are some important notes. Pre-authorization holds. Some gas stations place a temporary hold when using cards at the pump, which can be higher than the amount of gas you intend to purchase. To avoid this, it's safer to pay inside. And usage restrictions. Be aware that while gas is usually an eligible expense, not all retailers may accept the card for gas purchases. Always check with your health plan for any specific restrictions. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.